Oh, what a day to be a trader. Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money, and so am I. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Caspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Caspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. You already know the drill. First, we look at market performance for the past 24 hours. After that, we'll look at prices in details. And right after that, guys, we look at our position. Are we making that money? Or are we in Wreck City? But before that, guys, let me set this down. I have to say it. I know you guys probably know what I'm about to say, but hey, I have to say it. Yep, I told you so. I told you so. 2 weeks ago, or even 3 weeks, I was telling you guys, be patient. A lot of people lost a lot of money. That really hurts. People lost a lot of money. They have the wrong entries and stuff like that. But I told you guys, you have to put your money where it's gonna grow. A lot of crypto, like, yeah, the weekly is resetting, all that. There's a lot of crypto out there. But you cannot go wrong with King Casper, Quant, Jasmine, okay? Those three, you cannot go wrong. Now, if you're a daredevil like me, who I like high risk, high rewards, then add Cubic and add Luna Classic, Terra Luna Classic to your portfolio. Okay? Now, I'm not a day trader. I did try day trader before, and I don't like the point of getting stuck to this screen every day, stuff like that. That's why when I enter my trades, I use daily, weekly, monthly, the higher time frame. So once I get that entry, we make entries that are going to make us six figures, minimum of $50,000, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even $1 million up there. Those are the entries that I look for. In the next 6 to 8 months, we'll come out here. Like I told you guys, psychology of money. We are not looking for just one positions to give us all that money. No, we are looking for 3, 4, 5 positions that, let's say, if you make 50 grand on one position, the next 6 to 8 months, okay, you make 50 grand here, you make 100 grand there, you make 200 grand there, and then your spot account, you make whatever you make there all together, you probably come out close to $1 million to $2 or $3 million. Okay, then yeah, you start planning your your bear market. Like I told you guys, I will tell you guys when I start to short Bitcoin, because the opportunity is there. All you have to do is look in the right places. The opportunity is there. These coins are gonna make you money. People don't believe it. Everybody else was like talking nonsense about it. Okay, like I said, I can't show you people's private messages. That will be unprofessional. I can't do that. But yeah, people were bearish. Okay, people were looking at me crazy. Okay, so excuse me for a second. Looking at me like I didn't know what I was talking about. Looking at me like, yeah, it did not make any sense. When I told you guys Bitcoin was going down, everybody was like, nah, it was going up. Bitcoin wasn't, yeah, but yeah, we're not talking about Bitcoin here. We're talking about Caspa. I told you guys the momentum that Caspa needs starts after the FOMC meeting. For some reason, Caspa aligned itself with the monetary system. For some reason, okay, I haven't been able to figure that one out yet, but looking at the charts, it shows you that every FOMC meeting, thank you for correcting me yesterday, I was saying it wrong, Caspa usually pumps. If you just take the entire Caspa price and put it on the FOMC meetings calendar, you will see every of them Caspa usually pumps. So yeah, I was telling you guys that yeah, that is going to be the catalyst, because history sometimes does repeat. Even if it doesn't repeat, it rhymes. Okay, it's gonna happen. And yeah, people are looking at it, telling me like, yeah, this and that, blah blah blah. And I'm just like, okay, we about to see who's gonna laugh, who's gonna laugh last. Okay, and after that, I'm also telling you guys, you are about to see Binance list Casper. This February is gonna happen, and when it happens, Casper is gonna blow out of the. I mean, this move you're looking at right now, I will show you in the charts. Okay, it's gonna take Casper to 32, 35 cents thereabout. This move you're looking at right now, and if Binance lists Casper, we better look at Casper at $1 or even $2. Okay, that's what's about to happen, and people just like they don't understand. It's easy. Look at around you. Look at where we're going. Quant is a coin that is going to make you a lot of money. Why? People are not happy with the monetary system. People are not happy with inflation. People are not happy with a bunch of stuff. And Powell, yesterday, if you watch and listen to the FOMC yesterday, he was asked about the banks and the cryptocurrency. You heard his reply. As long as they follow the regulations, banks are allowed to offer cryptocurrency services to their customers. And what are cryptocurrency services? Storing, buying and selling, and all that stuff. Which means your bank could buy and sell your crypto. You can buy and sell your crypto through your bank. You can buy and sell your meme coins or whatever you want to do. You could store them over there. And I keep saying it over and over. For banks to do that, the only way they have to do it is by using Quant over Ledger. I've said it and I keep saying it. People are still playing deaf ears. And once Quant start to blow up $400, $500, $600, the FOMO is going to be real. Because guys, for banks to use the over Ledger, they need to buy and and stake Quant. Therefore, project gateways is not far away from now. It's not far away because first they buy, and by them staking it, they are reducing the supply even more. Therefore, Quant price is gonna blow. I keep saying it, guys. Quant is a $5,000 coin, and that's what you're about to see. Okay, and people look at me crazy, and it's like, oh my gosh. Well, you want to go follow the people that charge you every month to tell you the same thing I'm telling you now for free? Okay, go ahead. And I just hope you are not left holding the hot potato, because most of the people who follow them, go watch YouTube. Go look at the review of your favorite YouTubers. You will see. Most of them are holding the hot potato right now. Most of them are holding the hot potato right now. Just like they're busy filling them with these ideas, telling them like, yeah, Bitcoin is going to $250,000. Guys, Bitcoin is not going to go to $250,000. Mark my words. Okay, mark my words. I have my chart. You know what? Let me show you right quick. Okay, it's better if I show it to you because I believe seeing is believing. Okay, let me show you my Bitcoin chart. Okay, give me a second. Let me grab my computer right quick. Okay, I apologize for the noise because my Kaspa miners are mining Kaspa. Anyways, regardless, this, my friends, is my Bitcoin chart. I know, I know it looks a lot of dirty, but this is the complete Bitcoin chart from the beginning to the end. My lines are there for my own personal uses and all that stuff. But what I want to show you is this. This is on the monthly, okay, monthly chart. Bitcoin usually break out. Okay, once we come from an all-time high, come back down, blah, blah, blah. And then by the time after we break the previous all-time high, as you can see, we break the previous all-time high. You can take, if you take a measurement from the previous all-time high to the all-time low, you take that and then you place it on top of this because it's a triangle, okay? It's a triangle, as you can see. See, it's a triangle that kept going up and down, raising until we break it. So the target, if you put it on top of this, you see the target of Bitcoin. Let me go here. Excuse me for a second. Yeah, I had to zoom it in to probably 3 months chart. Okay, now I know it looks a little bit dirty or something like that, but anyways, that's the way we usually see this thing play out. Okay, we see it. You see the top blue line. top blue line usually go touch the top, come down, touch the top, come down, and yeah, if you look at it, where we are going to touch the blue line, which is going to be here, okay, this is going to be here, then you should start considering Bitcoin to that is already getting ready to hit that all-time high. But look at the price, guys. See the price? $141,000. See? But we already know that price sometimes, not sometimes, always hit above that blue line. So therefore, let me go back to monthly right quick. On month, weekly, no, not weekly. I'm gonna go on the monthly. I think monthly can show you guys way better. Monthly, okay. See, that's the blue line right there. And the way I calculated it, it's like if you take this lower, okay, to the low to the high, and you put it on top, it's gonna take it somewhere around here. Okay, so if you look here, what's the price? 180, 190,000, thereabout. So yeah, that is why I think Bitcoin is not going to 250 or 300,000 like everybody's telling you. Okay, so yeah, you gotta be careful when you start to listen to people that are telling you all this stuff. On the immediate short term, yeah, you're about to see Bitcoin run. Okay, let me go on the daily right quick. In the immediate short term, we're about to see Bitcoin run. Okay, I told you guys when everybody else was telling you was running, I told you no, because this symmetrical triangle, it wasn't even 50% formed right here. As you can see, we broke down about it. Now we broke back inside the symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles, they have it's a 50-50% chance breaking up or breaking down. So yeah, let's just take the breaking up for instance. If we break up from this, okay, break up from this, it's gonna take Bitcoin here, which if I go this way and you see $123,000. Okay, $123,000. That's where it's gonna take Bitcoin. And if it comes down, we're probably gonna come to the top of the bottom of this line, which is the red one, which is around $89,000-$90,000. So yeah, that's what it is. So far, the all-time high. You see this blue line right here. Like I'm telling you guys, you better be careful, because this blue line, the major breakout from the top of this to this. Okay, it's a bull flag. If you see it, bull flag. The top of the measurement target for that bull flag is this blue line right here. Blue line, which is again 150. That's why I say 140, 160,000. You start looking 150, which again measures almost touching this blue line on the top. See, it's even going above it. Therefore, yeah, Bitcoin usually break above this blue line, like for a couple thousands or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. If they push it that hard, probably you're going to see $180,000 Bitcoin. So other than that, I don't know. But yeah, that is the forecast right now for Bitcoin. And this is all this. The reason I'm showing you this, excuse me for a second. The reason I'm showing you all that is because people are going to be so bullish, and at the end of it, they will get left holding that hot potato. Everybody's telling you Bitcoin 250,000, Bitcoin to 300,000. No, guys, it's not gonna happen. There is so many things. Like I told you guys, when you look at these kind of things, not just the price only. You gotta look at the economy. You gotta look at how the DXY, the stock market, and everything. But and I'm telling you, stock market will crash, and it will crash so hard that a lot of people are not paying attention. 2008 stock market crash is gonna be what, a tip on that iceberg that is coming, because we have recession coming, looming, we have inflation looming, and most people are not looking at that. And you guys already know, when stock market falls, Bitcoin falls. Therefore, I will let you guys when I start to short Bitcoin. I've told you that so many times. So yeah, going back to Casper, the opportunity is right there. It is right there, because Casper right now, we are still on testnet. We're about to go mainnet by the introduction of smart contract Sparkle, which, yeah, guys, if you look at it, the timing is how do I put this? The timing is way so perfect, because if the bull market is ending, okay, people are taking profits, people are taking their money, seeing the forecast coming for the stock market, for the economy crashing. The only one still coming up as the smart contracts and all that stuff that still has those catalysts to be running is going to be Casper. Therefore, yeah, you'll see. You'll see. Don't say I didn't tell you. You will see, because it is going to happen right in front of you again, and I will sit here and laugh about it. Just like I'm doing now, because 2 to 3 weeks ago I told you guys this pump was going to come in 2 to 3 weeks. Time limit exact. Right? So yeah, round 5, money. So yeah, it is going to happen, and it's started right now. The move to a 35-40 cents dollar, 40 cents Casper just happened. The move just started. So yeah, it's up to you if you want to watch on the side or if you want to make money. I don't know about you, but yeah, I love round 5. Anyways, like guys, let's go look at the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. For that, we're going to need crypto bubbles right quick. Crypto bubbles right here. Okay, let's start first with King Kaspa. But look at this. See, everybody was telling you different. I was telling you, wait. See that the daily is now green. Okay, look at that. The weekly has turned green. Look at that. The monthly is also green. See the top? All of them. Like I'm telling you. Now, it comes to the point, like I tell you, you need to put your money where it's going to grow. Because even when the weekly, monthly, and daily are green, only a few coins are doing pretty good. Now, let's look at King Kaspa first. Okay? So that you will see what I'm telling you. KAS. Look at Kaspa. For the past hour, Kaspa is up 0.4%. On the day, Kaspa is up 11%. See that? on the week, Kaspa is up 2%. On the month, Kaspa is up 15.5%. And on the year, Kaspa is up 32.9%. You see, this is what I'm telling you. You need to put your money where it's going to grow. And look at the market cap sitting at $3.42 billion. And the 24 hours market performance or market trading is $84.08 million. That right here, yeah, I think is the volume is still low, because normally when Casper pumps, we begin to see volume up to 150, $200 million. So yeah, but the FOMO is about to kick in. Wait until Casper hits that 15, 16 cents. It's about to hit it. It's about to kick in. Now we look at Quant, QNT. Some people call it the banker's coin. I call it the coin a lot of people love to hate. Look at that. Don't say I didn't tell you. For the past hour, 0.4 up, 11.4% up on the day. Look at that. 1.5% up on the week, 2.7% up on the month, and 1.7% up on the year. Sitting at the market cap of $1.59 billion and the 24 hours volume traded at $50.97 million. Looking at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, like I told you guys, Bitcoin pumps, Jasmine is gonna pump, right? So, look at that. For the past hour, 3.6% up. On the day, look at that. Because I told you, Bitcoin pumps, Jasmine is gonna pump twice. Bitcoin dumps, Jasmine is gonna dump twice. Look at that, the daily volume, 38.7% up on the day. Guys, insane. Look at look at the week. 24.1% up on the week. Monthly, 2.2% up on the month. And yearly, look, it was like 300% yesterday. Today is 528% up on the year. Market cap sitting at $1.59 billion. And now, look at the volume. I told you guys, right? FOMO is going to kick in. You think this is FOMO? Watch until when Jasmine kicks that hits that 4.5 cents. You will see. So the volume is up $321.93 million. See, I told you. Don't say I did not. don't say I did not. And now we're gonna look again. Last but not the least, Cubic, high risk, high reward, just like I told you guys. Okay, it has started. For the past hour, we're sitting flat. On the day, cubic is up 9.6%. On the week, 4.2% down, 21.3% down on the month, and on the yearly, we are still down 5.1%, sitting at the market cap of $260.51 million and a 24 hours volume traded at 8.76. You see that? The volume has started to pick up. So yeah, don't say I did not tell you. Anyways, now let's go look at TradingView right quick, okay? Let's see our prices in details. We're gonna look at here, TradingView, and we'll see. This is Casper on the hourly. Yep. No. I gotta go back here. I gotta go. I gotta go back here. Yep. I told you so. I told you. The catalyst was coming and it's gonna start running. I told you so. Anyways, now let's go back here and see. See, on the hourly, as you can see, ribbon has turned green. We are above the moving average, and Casper is heading upwards. This, like I always tell you guys, the price action on the hourly just shows me the direction of the price, and that's it. I don't use that to trade. Now, let's go back to the 4 hours right quick. On the 4 hours, you can see the same characteristics like I told you guys a couple of days ago. Look at the ribbon, okay? Oh, come on. Look at the ribbon. When you look here, see, ribbon is curving upwards. Therefore, this thing is about to turn green, and this movement is about to even keep on going higher. Now, the target of this is 15.6, 15.7, if I'm not correct. Let me zoom it out a little bit, because you see, we have a little resistance right there. Okay, I think that's better. Target is right there, 15.7. So yeah, 15.7 cents. But the thing is that my friends, is just the beginning. There is a little bit of resistance. You remember a couple of weeks ago when I was telling you that price action wasn't good enough? That right here, that 14.1, 14.2, there is a little bit of resistance right there. But we're gonna blow past it. But again, what I want to tell you guys, like 15.7 being the target of this breakout, is just the beginning of things, because there is an origin trend. What do I call origin trends? Like trends that start right from the inception of Casper's price. And those origin trends, they are big support places. Okay, so yeah, instead of reaching here the target of 15 cents, I think the price is going to break above this origin trend around 16 and a half, 17 cents. We have a resistance here, 17.3, and the next resistance is going to be here at 19.4 to the all-time high. But the move has started. The move that will take Casper to 35 or 40 cents has already started. So yeah, don't say I didn't warn you, because I did tell you. Anyways, now let's go look at Quant right quick. I told you guys Quant was having that support and resistance between approximately $9,800 to $125, and we were ranging. Okay, so now if you look at Quant on the hourly, wow, bam, yep, I told you so. Bam, look at Quant. Okay, so let's do this. See, that was resistance, approximately $98 to $100. We came, touch it perfectly, bam, up we went. Now we are above the moving average. The one, if you've been following my channel, 105 was also a resistance. Look at that perfectly. We broke above that resistance, came back, retested, and up we go. And up we go. Look at it on the 4 hourly. What is the 4 hourly? Right quick. There. See the 4 hour? Right now, we are having a little problem with the moving average, which again, if you look at the ribbon, curving upwards. So that tells me that this is going to break it, and now we are heading to $125. We break that through uses our support, guys. 164, and just like I've always told you guys, if we close a daily candle on Quant above $164, guys, this is going to all-time high sooner than a lot of people think. And from an all-time high, yep, the FOMO is going to kick in, and once the FOMO kicks in, Don't say I did not warn. Don't say I did not warn you, because I told you it's going to happen, and it's beginning to happen just like I told you. Okay. Now, Jasmine is another one. Okay, it's very easy to look at Jasmine, because now Bitcoin did a little hiccup going upwards. Look at Jasmine. Now, again, the same thing applies. Look at the ribbon curving upwards. And it was so funny because a lot of people, I kept telling you guys, 2.3 was a major support. Look at how perfectly we came to touch 2.3. Perfectly touch, bounce. Look at the ribbon. And this is on the 4-hourly, which tells you that this momentum is real. If it was happening on the 1-hourly, yes, I would be a little bit cautious. But this is on the 4-hourly. So as you can see, this thing is getting ready to go attack that. Come on, let me put it on the daily right quick so I can show you. Daily, okay? This thing is getting ready, because if you zoom in, look at the ribbon. It's still red, but it has started to curve, right? We are above the moving average. Everything looks bullish for Jasmine, except for like, hey, we have to watch what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin crashes, this thing is going to come back down. But so far, I think Bitcoin is going up. So yeah, that gives me the confidence to say that Jasmine is going to pump. Next resistance is going to be up here. Remember 3.8? That's why I have this line. Yeah, that's why I have these lines. Okay, 3.8 is a big resistance. Now, if Jasmine could break that 3.8, use that as support, and guys, that will mean we're going back to the previous all-time high, which is sitting at 4.5 cents. The FOMO is going to be even real, worse than that. Therefore, yeah, Jasmine is running. Expect 6 or 7 cents very, very soon on Jasmine. Okay, so yeah, yeah. I'm on my way up. Nothing can stop me. I told you guys. Okay, I told you. Now you can, like I said, people are gonna ask you for your money to give you signals and all blah blah blah. Now, my way is different. We are all trying to be rich. We are all trying to get, live that 9 to 5 and be financially free. As much people as I help, that's where I get my satisfaction. Understand? So yeah, it's up to you. It's not financial advice. As always, honesty is the #1 thing in this channel. I show you guys everything I do. I told you I wasn't going to enter a trade until the conditions were favorable for me to enter that trade. Okay? And it just happened. It happened. Those conditions came up already. And it's so funny that a lot of people who were following the crypto gurus, they got left with the hot potatoes in their hands, right? They got left with it. I'm telling you, that's the same thing is going to happen when the all-time high for Bitcoin comes in, because people are expecting a 250, 300,000 Bitcoin. And I'm looking at my charts. I'm seeing 140 to 180. So yeah, when the price starts to hit 140, I will start paying close attention to Bitcoin. That's what I will do, because again, I will let you guys know when I start to short Bitcoin. That's as simple as that is. Okay, for us in this my millionaire journey, we go to where we have more opportunities. Casper, guys, I don't know how many times I've said it. All you need to start 10,000 Caspers, because guys, by the end of February, you will see. Right now, 10,000 Casper is going to cost you what, $1,300, $1,400, whatever it is, or a little bit above. By the end of February, you will see. You will see. And by the end of this run, it's even going to be even more. Because again, you will see at the end of the bull run, a lot of people will come here and tell me, yes, you was right. So far, you can look at my track record. Go watch my videos and tell me if I've been wrong all along or if I have been right all along. That's all I can tell you. Okay, because I'm not here, I'm not a financial advisor, but the goal is one thing. If at least 1% or 2% of everybody watching my videos, if I can help them, if those videos can help you multiply your money 5, 10, 50 times, that would be great. I will be happy with it. Okay, so like if you can turn, if you started, by the time you start watching my videos, if you started with $500 and at the end of the bull run you end up with $10,000, that will make my day. If you started with $10,000 watching my videos, and at the end of the bull run you end up with $100,000, man, I will give you a hug if I could. You understand? Because that is the whole point. Psychology of money. Make a little bit. By the time the end of the bull run, it's up to you. Me, I trade. I do different. At the end of the bull run, I only use 20 or 30% of whatever that I make for my whatever that I want to do. Go on vacation, buy stuff for my kid, whatever. 20 or 30%. The rest of the 70%, I get ready for that bear market. Like I tell you, I will show you when I start shorting Bitcoin, because the money that you make from shorting is the same capital you are going to use to start a bull run. Okay, and this bear market, guys, is the biggest opportunity you have ever seen. So yeah, you need to have capital. Get ready for it, because Bitcoin, let's say for example, if Bitcoin goes up to $180,000, okay, by the time it starts to correct, it might come down all the way down to $40,000 or even $30,000. Imagine if you have, because me, I'm planning to a 50x short on Bitcoin. I will do that on Margex, on Bydfi, on Phemex, on Wix, and on Margex. 4 different positions at 50x long. You will see. The same thing goes with the meme coin. Everybody right now is head under their heels for meme coins. For me, I don't really care about meme coins now, because when Bitcoin start to crash, those meme coins, they are going to fall like rocks. What I will do, like I always told you guys, I will look at the top 10 meme coins and I'm gonna short the living Jesus Christ out of them. That's what I will do. It goes with it. And I will show it to you. And you will see it. You will see it yourself. So yeah, it's a very good thing to be a trader, right? Because like, I'm on my way up. Nothing can stop me. Anyways, guys, let's go look at my positions right quick. But before we do that, guys, please do not leverage trade if you do not have experience. I will say it again. That is a first class ticket to Wreck City. If you trade without experience, again, it's a first class, not even first class. Let's say if you are taking the flight to Wreck City, that is going to be the presidential flight. Presidential flight to Wreck City. That's what is going to happen. So yeah, please, below I do have the Phemex, Margex, Bydfi. I have the links below. Sign up. Some people say, yeah, I did sign up, I didn't get the money. Guys, you have to meet the deposit bonus. Once you meet the deposit bonus, they are going to give you money, and it's not little money, thousands of dollars. Once you get that, please, guys, take your time, take $100 or $200 and practice. Practice how to put a stop loss, how to add to your margin, how to take profit, how to open a trade, close a trade. Because guys, even though you don't believe it, there are people that when time comes, they don't know how to take profits on their trades. Regardless, I even have a video on Bydfi and Phemex if you want to go look at those, just to give you an idea of what you're doing, okay? But please, do not leverage trade if you don't have experience. You are going to make mistakes, and it's better if you make those mistakes with $100 or $200 versus making that mistake with thousands of dollars. Guys, please, I'm saying it again, do not leverage trade without experience. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. We're going to start with Bydfi, okay? On Bydfi, you guys already know I am trading King Kaspa, and I'm also trading Quant, okay? Look at my overall. It has started to roll. Yesterday or day before yesterday, it was sitting there at $12,000 or 11, if I'm not correct. Can't remember. But today I am sitting at 15,200. See what I told you? It is going to happen, right? Now, if we go look at my contracts, whoa, Kaspa is up 13.3. We're still running. If you look at my contract, my Kaspa, I am still down 28%. And that's what I was telling you guys. Don't look at that number, because a couple of days ago, this number was, I was down like what, 48, 50% or something like that. Look at that. I am a very aggressive trader. My trades move too fast. I trade at 50x. As you can see, 28% down today, which is $2,000. Yeah. I will show you this account, okay? I'll show you this account in the next 6 to 8 months, and you will see. Okay, look at my Quant. Just yesterday, Quant, I was down what, 6% or something like that. Today I am up 9.5%, which is almost $1,000. But this is not what I need. I will show you Quant account in 6 to 8 months, and you guys will see. Okay, like I said, I'm not trying to show you my price target in every day. Okay, I will just do this. I will do it once or twice a week so you guys can see. But anyways, you can go back on my yesterday's video and you will see the reason why I have these trades open. Okay, anyways, now let's go look at Phemex right quick. Phemex, you guys already know I am trading Kaspa and Jasmine, right? And as you can see, look at that, my overall. Not long ago, it was sitting at $9,000. I think it was yesterday or day before. Today, I am up $12,700. See, it is growing. It is doing exactly like I told you it will. Looking at my contracts, you see here for my Jasmine, wow. Wow, Jasmine, just yesterday or day before, I was down almost 40%. Today, I am down 12%, which is 1,200. See what I'm telling you guys? Look at my Caspa. I was down almost 50 or 50 something percent. Today, I am still down 38%, which is 1,900. Again, I am a very aggressive trader. Guys, please do not trade like me without experience. As you can see, go back on my yesterday video and you will see the reason why it doesn't bother me at all. And I will show, it will even show you the price targets that I'm looking at on this one. Now, let's go back here. Let's go look at my new trades. Like again, a lot of people seems not to understand when I tell you like, yeah, I know what I'm doing. I know exactly why I was waiting to enter those trades. Okay, now I have them open on Wix, on the Wix exchange, and man, oh man, they're doing perfect. Anyways, now let's go look at them. I think it's better if I show you, right? If I go to my Wix exchange, where's my Wix? This is Bydfi. Wix exchange, this one. You see my Wix, okay? We started yesterday. If you check it, we started at 2,000. Overall was like 2,500, 2,600. Today, my overall is up 3,000, almost $3,500. Okay. Now let's look at the contracts. If you look at contracts, so yeah, see that? That is Caspa. Again, a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. You can pause this and you can look at it if you want to. Caspa, I am up 43%, which is almost $500. Yeah, this is not what I'm looking for, but we started in a good foot right here. You can go again. You can go back yesterday's video and you will see my targets on this particular trade. Same goes to Cubic. Look at Cubic. I told you guys, Cubic was gonna make you money. I am up on Cubic 17%, which is $275 approximately. And again, this is not what I'm looking for. Go back to my video yesterday and you will see my targets on this Cubic trade. Again, see that? I told you the opportunity was there. You only have to look for it. Once you see it, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It is coming. Yeah, overall 3,500. Okay, it is coming. It is something that you have to look at, and and people, yeah. Hopefully you got in. Let me go back here right quick. Hopefully you got in, because if you got in, yeah, it's the beginning of big money. 6 to 8 months from now, we will look at that VIX account. You're looking at 3,500 overall right now. 3,500. 6 to 8 months, we will see. And I will sit here and I will tell you, yep, you was here with me when I started it. Again, not financial advice, but if you follow me, and open these trades yesterday, today you probably will be very, very happy with me, right? So it is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. I don't. My track record speaks for itself. I think it's because I try to be honest. I am honest with you guys. I try to show you everything I do, not less, not more. Okay, because I believe for a friendship to go forward, because I consider all of you as my friends, as people in my cycle, for a friendship to go forward and grow, you need to be honest with people. Not like you guys already know who I'm talking about, that ask people to trade their Caspa to buy turbo, which again, you know what? Let's look at it. Let's look at it like quick. Excuse me. Yeah, this is what I want to show you. This is turbo, right? 24 hours. I'm just gonna use 24 hours. 24 hours turbo. There you have it. This is the chart. This is a chart for turbo for 24 hours. Okay, let's look at the 7 days. This is the chart for turbo for 7 days. Look at the 1 month. Oh my God. This is the chart for turbo for 1 month. Okay, now let's go look at Caspa right quick. Caspa right quick. Okay. This is the funniest thing, guys. 24 hours Caspa chart. Look at that. Compare with turbo. Did you see? Okay, the 7 days chart for Caspa. Look at that. Compare that to turbo. That's what I'm telling you guys. And you hear 1 month. This is the monthly monthly chart for Caspa. Compare that to turbo. See what I'm talking? Let's I'm telling you about. So yeah, it's up to you. If you want to go follow people, you're gonna pay them to hand the hot potato to you. Yeah. Yeah. Or you can join my Millionaire Journey channel, in which honesty is the first thing. And all of you who's been following my channel, I want to believe that you are sitting in good profits right now. Right? So yeah, it matters where you put your money for it to grow. Psychology of money. That's what it is. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Also, don't forget to comment. I would like to know what your opinions about everything we just talked about this round 5 money. I would like to know what your opinions are. Okay, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will know every time that I upload a brand new video. Also, don't forget to share, because when you share these videos, more millionaire minded people like you and I can see these videos. And again, you never know what you will learn from a stranger, because people comment, and then once they comment, you might learn something new. Okay, so yeah, please don't forget to share. That being said, guys, I hope you are enjoying this round 5. Please take very good care of yourselves. Until I see you in my next one, bye bye. I'm on my way up. Nothing can stop me.